Can't you share your screen during WhatsApp call on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if you're experiencing that you can't share your screen while a call on WhatsApp, then here's the step-by-step guide to fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on apps and then find out the WhatsApp application. Once you get the WhatsApp application, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp. And from the WhatsApp settings, you just need to make sure that you have enabled the microphone, camera and others. And also you just need to make sure you have enabled the live activities and the background app refresh. Once you've done that, just get back from here, close the settings application and then open up the settings application once again and then scroll down, tap on screen time and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and make sure to turn off this option. And once you're done, just get back from here and open up the App Store and then go ahead and search for WhatsApp here. And then scroll down, tap on WhatsApp, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. And once you're done with this, you just need to force restart your iPhone once. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And after some time, once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.